So guys, now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update will be. Guys, you will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with our GBP. You can clearly see that our trend on GBP what an uptrend. We are what trending to the upside. This is very much that it is a trending movement now. So this is very much bullish. Our GBPJPY is very much bullish. It is very much trending to the downside upside by. So at first we had a multiple rejection at this low right here, right? Whereby markets rejected from this multiple times, right? Eventually it broke. Then we now add like a double bottom right here. You can see eventually markets eventually give us a double bottom, which then push up to break this neckline, right? Now it has given us a pullback, and now we've gotten another double bottom. You all know what the double bottom is. It means a reversal. And with this movement, we should expect market to continue to push up. Hereby, you can see that this push up literally broke the neckline, right? So we should expect it to continue to push up till it give us a bullish move. So what we are trying to say is that this week will be for the day we will be anticipating for a bullish move on GBPJPY. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you will not miss out on more updates. You can also join the membership program, by the way, our YouTube membership to follow us to take trade with us, to also go live with us and also get exclusive updates. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out.